Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now we are here in our house again. Oops. Yeah, they are still doing constructions because it's already 1 p.m. and now we're gonna have an update. So in today's videos, as you can see that what's in the title, it's more about how much we spent with our windows, especially in the second floor, because in a few days we will move in here in the house, so we can't wait. And here's the window. Show you. Hello. It's huge. Let's go inside. So that the workers have an internet too. Okay, let's try it. The window. So how much it costs? The windows that we paid for the second floor, all that you can see here is around 80,000 pesos. So yes, it's quite I think it's fair price. It's fair price. It's a round off actually. I don't know how exactly the amount, but it's like a round off of 80,000 pesos. But as you can see, this is a one half thick of window glass. And here, excuse me guys. Hello, excuse me. Can I go in? Can I come in? Huh? Wow. So this will be the cannot wait. My walk-in closet. So many wires here. And here's the final of all. Look. Ta-da! Look at the view! Wow! Look at the view. This would be our master bedroom without the cuckoo lumber here. Before it was a lot of cuckoo lumber that covering the view, and now you can see it. It's so beautiful. If you are here and then you can see the Apple Island. Come here, Leah. If you show to them, you stand here and then the camera up there. Yeah, but all packed already. Look at this. Come here. Wow. Okay, so this will be the water, no? Okay, check the water. Okay, close. Perfect.
Perfect combination.
This is water tank. This is area.
I'm showing you the another septic tank for the, I think, for the washing dishes, you know, to the kitchen. So they need more deeper, and then the floor will be up here, I think. Here. Wow. Need to show you in the other side of the house, or here. And here's the view from here to there. Wow, so beautiful. We have something here. I'll show you. Kalabasa, squash. What? That's huge. Look, it's huge. Oh, there's one there. Come on. That's huge. Wow. I know everyone knows this, but I'll show you. This is makaya. It means shy plant. Look. Whoa. It's a shy plant. Look, so many. What? What? There's a lot of them. Growing here. It's getting there. The Lisa tree. It's growing so fast. Sorry. Oi, 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 oi. Let's walk. I think it's time for them to pee and poo. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on. Thor, come here. Oops. It's getting there. It's a manok. What do you want? Anyway, I can't wait to, to see the finish. Maybe in a few months, maybe around March or April. I have something to show to you here. So this would be our water tank, and the water pressure here. So all the big water tank will be here, big circles, and then the pressure tank is here. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like our update here in our house, and I hope I answered the questions that how much we spent for our windows in the second floor. It's only second floor. It's not even in the ground floor. So yeah, I think. Wow, boys! Nice ka inyong view. Wow! Let's go home na. Let's go home na, guys. Let's go home na. Let's go home na. Let's go home na ta. Good boy. Oh yeah, let's go home na.